At 50 years old, Confucius was a complete failure, fired from every government job. Only a handful of students, no money, no respect, no future. But that's when he discovered something that would change billions of lives. He realized he'd been living wrong his entire life. Rushing toward goals created anxiety. Dwelling on past mistakes bred regret. So he made a radical choice. Focus only on this moment and doing what's right. Not tomorrow's success, not yesterday's failures, just today's actions. This shift unlocked everything. He developed his teaching of humaneness, started learning like a beginner again, admitted what he didn't know. Every setback became education. Every failure became wisdom. He created his famous principle. It doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you don't stop. While others chase quick wins, Confucius built character one day at a time. The man who failed at 50 became the teacher who shaped civilizations, because he understood this truth. Rushing creates suffering, but patience creates greatness. Your timeline isn't broken. You're exactly where you need to be.